Hey, if you've ever struggled to make your content stand out on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube, you're going to love what I'm about to show you. Because today, I'm introducing you to something that's not just another AI tool. It's a complete AI video workforce that lives right inside your phone. It's called VideoClawBot, and it's about to change the way you create social videos forever. Now, let's be real. Social media is crowded. Every day, millions of clips are uploaded, and most of them get ignored. Why? Because they don't stop the scroll. They don't grab attention in the first 3 seconds. And if you're trying to grow a brand, land clients, or even just get noticed, you can't afford to blend in. You need videos that pop, that hook, that make people pause mid-scroll and say, "Whoa, I need to watch this." That's exactly what VideoClawBot delivers. Here's how it works. Imagine you're sitting in a coffee shop and you get an idea for a promo video. Normally, you'd need a scriptwriter, a designer, a video editor, maybe even a whole creative team. With VideoClawBot, you just open WhatsApp or Telegram, type one command, or even send a quick voice note, and boom, your AI team goes to work. In minutes, you've got a polished, cinematic video ready to post on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. No editing apps, no expensive freelancers, no wasted hours. Just results. And this isn't some short, generic clip. VideoClawBot can generate up to 2-minute cinematic videos with consistent characters, smooth storylines, and professional flow. That means you can create property walkthroughs, brand promos, product showcases, or even full social campaigns, all from your phone. Think about how powerful that is. While other AI tools are stuck at 6-second clips, VideoClawBot gives you the length and quality you need to actually sell, engage, and convert. But here's where it gets even crazier. VideoClawBot doesn't just make videos, it builds entire campaigns. One command can give you the video, the script, the caption, the graphic, the landing page, and even the cold outreach email. It's like having a full marketing department in your pocket. You don't just get content. You get a complete package that's ready to ship, ready to post, ready to pitch. And if you're worried about niches, don't be. VideoClawBot comes preloaded with agents trained for the highest-paying industries: real estate, e-commerce, restaurants, fitness studios, dental clinics, coaches, and more. Each agent already knows the scripts, the angles, and the workflows that convert in that vertical. Or, if you want something custom, you can build your own agent from scratch. Train it on your brand guidelines, your client's website, your product pages, and it becomes a permanent specialist for your business. Now let's talk about social media specifically. VideoClawBot is built to auto-post your finished videos directly to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn, and Facebook. It even optimizes captions, hashtags, and formats for each platform. That means you can go from idea to published post without ever opening another app. And because it lives inside WhatsApp and Telegram, apps you already check dozens of times a day, retention is built in. You don't have to remember to log into some dashboard. Your AI video team is literally waiting in your chat thread. So what does this mean for you? It means you can finally stop wasting time on complicated workflows. No more bouncing between apps, no more hiring expensive editors, no more stressing about trends. With VideoClawBot, you can create scroll-stopping videos that look like they came out of a full studio, in minutes, from your phone. And because it comes with a full commercial license, you can sell those videos to clients, run an agency, or build your own brand without limits. Keep 100% of the revenue, no royalties, no restrictions. Friends, this is the future of social video. Whether you're a content creator, a freelancer, or a business owner, VideoClawBot gives you the power to dominate Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube with videos that actually get watched, shared, and remembered. And right now, you can lock in lifetime access for a tiny one-time investment before it switches to a monthly subscription. So here's my advice. Don't wait. Every minute you delay, the price goes up. Grab VideoClawBot today, start creating scroll-stopping videos instantly, and watch your engagement, your clients, and your revenue explode. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI marketing breakthroughs, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of videos you're excited to create with VideoClawBot. I'll see you in the next one.